Hey viewers, in this video, we will learn how to fill the MAHA CET Law 2019 application form. The State Common Entrance Test Cell, Maharashtra, announced the application form for admissions to the 5-year Integrated Law Program on January 28, 2019. The mode of the application process is online and the last date to submit the form is March 11, 2019. In this video, Careers 360 will explain to the law aspirants how to fill MAHA CET Law Application Form 2019 right from the registration process till the fee payment step. Watch the video till the end to fill the application form easily. Candidates will first have to go to the official link to fill the application form. After clicking on the link, the following window will appear. New candidates will then have to click on the Click Here for New Registration button. A new window will appear which will list down all the important instructions and pointers that candidates should keep in mind while filling the application form. It is advised that candidates read the instructions carefully. To register, fill in the required details like first name, last name, contact number, email ID and so on. After entering the security code, click on the Save and the Next button. A statutory window will appear asking the candidates to check all the information entered since they will not be allowed to change any detail after the final submission. If candidates are sure of the details entered, they may click on the OK button. To check the details again, candidates will have to click on the Cancel button and make the necessary changes. Then candidates will be required to upload their scanned copies of photographs and signatures. Before uploading the files, it is advised that candidates click on the Guidelines section to know instructions related to document upload. Following are the specifications in which the documents need to be uploaded. Click on the Next button. A new window will appear asking for vital information about the candidate. Tick the correct boxes. At this stage, candidates will be asked to fill 3 preferences for exam centers where they would like to take the exam in. It is advised that candidates choose only those centers which are nearest to their residence or are convenient to commute to. After filling the exam center preferences, candidates will be required to fill in their personal details like date of birth, parents' names, address for correspondence and so on. Fill the educational details like marks, degree, board, subjects studied and so on. Candidates should ensure that they fill these completely and correctly. Click on Save and Next button. Candidates will now see their complete online application form appear on the screen showing all the details and their photograph. At the end of the application form, there will be a declaration box. Candidates will have to click on the checkbox so that they can move on to the next step of the application process, and then click on the Submit button. Now comes the fee payment step. Candidates can remit the fee using any of the options available: debit cards, credit cards, internet banking, IMPS, cash cards or mobile wallet. Upon the completion of the application form, the complete application form will now be displayed on candidate screens. Candidates are advised to take printouts of the form and retain them with themselves for further references.